Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark, and today we're making easy bird nest cookies. I'll level with you, Internet. I saw this pop up on my timeline last week, and I was immediately skeptical. 4 ingredients: peanut butter, milk chocolate chips, Cadbury mini eggs, my favorite, rice cereal, and did I say peanut butter? Anyway, but naturally I was intrigued. No-bake cookies with Cocoa Krispies? Sign me up! We've got some options with this. The recipe says to put the chocolate in the microwave. I don't have a microwave-safe bowl big enough to do this, so we're using my man, the double boiler. I'm throwing in a cup of chocolate chips. These are milk chocolate chips. I like milk chocolate. Yay. Recipe calls for 1 cup of peanut butter. Today I was reading the reviews for the recipe, which I should have read before I started buying stuff and getting ready to make cookies. Turns out, most of the comments were, "You're right to be skeptical about this, Mark. You specifically, Mark. You're a damn genius, Mark. Because this will not support 1 cup of peanut butter. You will need way more freaking cereal. So I'm not doing that. I used half a cup just now. And so I'm just putting this all in my double boiler, letting it melt down. We're also going to just dump this in my bowl. The problem that people were probably running into with this recipe is that traditional no-bake cookies use both butter and milk. The butter is a binder, right? It holds the no-bake cookies together along with the chocolate. By using a cup of peanut butter, they've made one of their binders super sticky, which means that you're going to have a sticky mess. We'll see if this actually does anything. Then we're going to start just move it around. Everybody should get good and coated in your mixture. Recipe says to spray, grease, or butter a muffin tin. Okay, now we're going to start filling up our tin, right? It's easy to do. If you feel like the sides are coming up, you know, move guys around until you have space. It may be more easy just to dig them a little bit than it is to mold them. Don't know. We'll see. You can already see that just using a tablespoon, some of these look good, some of these do not. It's fun, I guess. Whatever. Instructions say stick them in the fridge or the freezer while they set. I'm going to do that. We'll see what happens. Don't forget to reward yourself with chocolate and peanut butter for all of your hard work. You deserve it, Chief. Okay, they firmed up. Now the upside is they were a lot easier to get out of the muffin tin than I thought they'd be. And they do decorate up kind of nice once you get out your Cadbury candies. The downside is that even though they're firm and they stay together, you still have all this meltage. Now they do taste pretty good, but they're still kind of messy. I'm going to put them back in the fridge and we'll check on them tomorrow before I edit the video and see if it's any better. But I remain highly skeptical of this food product. Okay, it's been a couple days. They've been sitting out. This is what they look like. And they're fine. They're still a little gooey. You can see I've got, maybe you can see, I don't know about the lighting. I've got chocolate fingerprints. So they're tacky, kind of sticky. It's the peanut butter, not the chocolate. And the challenge with these is the peanut butter overpowers everything. I can't really taste the Cocoa Krispies. I can't really taste the chocolate. I can kind of get a little bit of peanut butter chocolate, but it's mostly peanut butter. Maybe dialing back an extra fourth a cup on the peanut butter will solve the problem? I don't know. I'm not really sure. Regardless, while these are cute, I don't super recommend them. I will certainly consume these because I have them and they exist, but they're no better than regular no-bake cookies. In fact, they might even be worse, and I kind of want to just wish I made no-bake cookies. So that's my rating. Like, subscribe, ding the little bell, leave a comment down below, let me know how I'm doing, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.